1807.
On this side, right? Not the kebab stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, can I go in? Wow, look at this. Hameediyah, 1907.
1870 they started by Kandar. After that 1907 they walking on the streets.
Wow, look at this, folks.
1870 they started like Kandar.
1870.
On the streets walking by.
Right.
After that 1907 they established.
Wow. Oh, this, look at this.
One pot now empty.
Empty, look
At that
at
time
this.
they put one pot rice, one pot curry. And selling on the street.
Fantastic. So, what a joy, folks. Have a look at this. Oldest Malaysian Kandar. Have a look at this, folks. Oh my goodness, look at this. You can
Variety of
choose,
foods.
right? The fish and the nice. There we go, folks. You got the beautiful fish head there. There you go, fish head,
Fish fry, chicken fry.
fish fries there. They still got the nice little layout. The chicken fry
And baby crab.
goreng.
Ikan goreng.
Okay, chicken. Ikan goreng. Okay.
Baby
Oh, the
crab,
fish.
squid, prawns.
So you eat the whole bone and everything.
whole, yeah. Very good.
That's the seafood basket.
Grilled beef
Grilled beefs here with the onions and all that.
and crab also.
Wonderful.
Crab curry.
Wow, crab curry. What a joy,
Lamb
folks.
shank.
Lamb shank as well.
This
It's
is
called the I am
I am
Kapitan.
Kapitan and lamb shank. Lamb shank. I am Kapitan is there.
Oh, I am Kapitan is over there. So the lamb shank is for the new version.
No, goat leg.
Oh,
Goat
the
leg.
goat legs. Right.
This is I am Peru. This one.
I am Peru. Oh, the little rooster. Beautiful, folks. Look at this setup.
This one I am Mutiara.
Oh, this is the wild goose. Wild. Oh, look at these gents serving beautifully. Look at that curry flavors.
This is spicy chicken.
Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Spicy chicken.
Lamb, boneless lamb.
Curry.
This one our signature I am bawa. Chicken onion.
Grilled caramelized onions. Right? I am
Honey chicken that one.
chunky. What a setup.
And lamb kurma.
We got
Squid curry, prawn curry. Then squid curry,
a squid.
squid curry, and fish curry, squid eggs, fish eggs.
Is it squid eggs?
Squid eggs is
Really?
yeah. Fish eggs,
Fish eggs over there.
all vegetables there.
And these are the little curry flavors.
Fish curry and curry dalcha.
This is just for the rice.
Which rice we give you?
Look at this, folks.
It's
What
not
a
sauces.
joy. All the sambals. Nice. Look at this, folks. And it's spicy, right?
Yeah, this one spicy, this one not spicy.
And the food is not spicy.
For that one only chicken not spicy. We have without spicy also and spicy.
Right.
We have variety of.
Okay. Look at this, folks. And
We have upstairs mini museum also. Have a look. Mini museum.
really? Let's go up. And there's small cheese. Wow, look at this, folks. Look at this. And 5 floors, Bristol.
Then this is gallery.
Fine dining as well.
Fine dining also. A mini museum gallery.
Uh-huh.
Then fine dining. Then Nardi. Then rooftop.
Wow, so I'm just what a joy, folks. Come in.
If busy, then you have switch to backup.
Bistro here.
This is one bistro. It's a normal dining area and bar is here. So here is the history.
Oh, the history.
Their journey from they started.
Oh, from Tamil Nadu.
From Tamil Nadu to Penang.
Oh, wow. Nagaland.
They came by ship, that one ship,
Right.
to Penang
Penang.
in 1870. Then they started selling.
What a joy. Look at this, folks. Here. Wow. Hello, how are you?
Welcome to Malaysia.
Thank you, kind.
It is our gallery.
Gallery, yes. Wow, look at this setup here, folks. It's all the... My goodness me. Hameediyah restaurant. Folks, this is the oldest restaurant here, and it's in Arabic, English. Is that Tamil, right?
Chinese.
The Tamil is in the middle there. Tamil.
Chinese.
And there's Chinese, Mandarin. Look at this place, the gallery.
The history of Nasi Kandar. How they started.
The birth of the Nasi Kandar. Birth of Nasi Kandar. What a joy,
He is
folks.
the man who started.
Mohammed
Mohammed Thambirat.
Tambirat
He came
Ratwa.
Yeah, he came from Tamil Nadu to
Ratwa.
Penang in 1870 by ship. With
And
his-
so his family is now taking on?
yeah, now family business is going.
Continuing on. And the
Now-
Japanese was
Yeah,
stop
at
them
that
in the
time there
British
was a British
rule.
rule.
Yes,
So they're
correct.
not giving any license to establish shop.
Right.
So they're selling in this kanda.
Just on the, they call the kanda.
Like this, they're sitting on the streets
Right.
and selling.
This is how they used to do it in India too, right?
Yeah.
And they use that concept over
Yeah, same
here.
concept, yeah.
Oh, look at all the spices. These are spices, sir.
Yeah, actually Mr. Thambiradar is the spice trader.
Spice trader,
Spice trader.
not a restaurant.
Yeah. So when they came from Tamil Nadu to Penang in 1870,
It was spice trading.
They saw they were
Route.
at that time doing spice trading.
Spice trading.
After that, they saw there is a food industry, so much
Opportunity here.
opportunities. They're selling.
Right. Wow. And they use those techniques. And then in 1907,
Our first shop established in Penang.
we're in Penang. That's the original
Shop
place.
is there.
Okay.
Now we have 3 shops in Penang
Uh-huh.
and one in Ampang, 4 kilometers from here.
Okay.
Ampang Bistro. Then this is the 5th one, and one newly opened in 2-3 months before in Masjid India, Samo House.
Much okay.
So we are opening a new outlet also 2-3 months.
Right.
New outlet also.
How lovely.
When
Look
they
at
came
this.
from Penang, by
Yeah,
ship,
they
bring that.
of course.
available.
My great grandparents have all these chests, chest of trunks and things like that, and they used to carry these all the time. Yes.
On that time, they're using all these
The
equipments.
pestle and mortar and grinding
Spice
the
grinding,
spices,
grinding, making sauces.
and making sauces and spices, right?
This is
So
our first cashier box.
register.
Yeah, first cashier
So
box.
how come here has been the gallery, not at the one in Penang?
No, gallery we established here.
Just the
Yeah.
this is
So
the
that
original
people know about
gallery,
Nasi Kandar.
right?
Our history.
The first and original cash register. Look at that, folks! Beautiful.
Because at
The
that
history.
time there was no computers. So
True,
we
yeah,
using
of course.
everything manually.
Little chitties, right?
This is the
Receipt. Oh, the ledger. Look at this bookkeeping.
Yeah, bookkeeping is all maintained by year by year.
Oh my
1960,
goodness! Look at this,
1960,
folks. You gotta come here.
Oldest
It's
one in
just
Sydney.
another
1948.
1948.
Before that, we don't know, haven't kept because
Not kept
lost-
record of.
Record lost to maybe.
Wow, how lovely.
So on that time, they putting these books on that cashier box like this.
On top. Okay.
Then
Just
people-
like
people
this.
come, they write price, putting cash there, and then
And they close off.
everything like this.
Wow. Have a look at this, folks. Beautiful. Amazing. Absolutely delightful to see a history being preserved and been promoted and continued on through generations. And this is the way. And the recipes are pretty much the original recipes,
Original
right?
recipes, yeah.
To this day.
Actually, we using homemade spices because they are spice trader. We
Right.
using own spices.
So, because they are in Malaysia at that time, so they kind of catered to the Malaysian taste of food. Is
Yeah.
that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Not so Indian.
Actually, this is South Indian food, but created
Created and
Malaysia.
recipes are pretty much to cater for the Malaysian
Malaysia, yeah.
communities. Okay.
So this is the address of our Penang shop,
Right.
164 Campbell Street,
You
Penang.
can see that, folks, there. That's the original restaurant. Or the shop. The spice restaurant. Shop. Spice shop.
Nasi Kandar shop.
Nasi Kandar
Nasi
spice
Kandar.
shop.
No, no.
Rather than restaurant.
They're selling same like this, Nasi Kandar.
Similar.
Same.
Okay.
Same shop is there.
Same.
Shop.
Ah.
Before 1870, they're selling spice.
Right.
But after that, they started food.
Food there on.
Fine dining also.
And then fine dining. And it's usually busy, right?
Yeah, actually we
You have
opening fine
guests.
dining for evening time. Dinner,
Okay.
Dinner time.
Dinner time. Oh, lovely. Look at it.
So go already. So many customers, but go already.
Right.
Have a look. Fine dining.
Beautiful.
Here is our fine dining.
Right. So you would have a party of two, they will come for a special
customer can do
occasion.
reservation and come. Some people only want a quiet place. So this is a
Correct.
quiet place.
Okay. And you serve beautiful, beautifully done, folks. And there's a
table for couples.
yes.
Look, corner.
What a lovely place. Look at this. It's a fine dining's love quarter. And you're looking out to the main street of Kuala Lumpur. There you go, folks. Yeah, a special occasion. Don't miss out. It's a beautiful place to actually. Hello. Good afternoon. Good evening to you. Lovely to meet you. I'm going to continue on with this video because
It's okay. It's okay.
wonderful. Here we are. I've just met the all kind gentleman here who's taking care of this beautiful, beautiful space. And wow, just to give you a detailed highlight of the fine dining. So if you're ever here in Kuala Lumpur, it's not far from the Millennium Hotel, actually, on the same parade, and it's a fabulous setting, and a tradition's been taken care
These
of.
are history from beginning to till now.
Fantastic! How lovely!
From
Look
beginning
at
they started
this.
like this.
How lovely! The beginning, the music, the tunes.
He started
Right.
selling.
How
Like this.
lovely! How
Then
lovely!
we got shop in 1907. That one.
1907, the first shop in
First
Penang, and 164 Lebuh Campbell. It's English words.
Revamped. This is the new same shop, but
Right.
revamped.
Oh, the revamped. As it is
Yeah,
now
this is
on.
same shop.
Okay. And this is your
This is
new
our
logo.
bistro.
And,
Bistro Aisho.
Bistro.
Penang, Ampang.
right. And this
This
is
is
your
that one.
store here.
Multi-concept.
Right. Multi-concept dining. How lovely. Nicely done. In 2023 they've opened here.
There is special
And there's a
table
group-
for big groups.
A group reception here.
VIP tables.
Lovely. So if you're folks, you could come down here, a whole family or maybe a group meeting. And there's a fine dining table there for groups of more than 10. And then it's beautiful groups. A couple dining, special occasions, another family dine there, a special occasion, special event, celebrating your birthdays and other unique events for life. And here we are, folks, elevated of the senses of the spice that came from southern India all the way through the Indian Andaman Ocean across to Malaysia, the Far East, taking through the journey and see what a transformation. When you right out the all copper vessels, yes. Lovely. What a fine place. What a fine place. The old times. Nice. Oh, the tiffins. Beautiful. Kettles, right.
Water bottle.
Water, cool. Oh my god. So the Arabian Peninsula actually used this concept for lots of different juices and drinks and cold drinks and transporting during the hot seasons. Fabulous! Look at these tiffin boxes. What a joy of concept from the main continent of India, and it is kept with such a tradition has been preserved and promoted here to elevate the food experience from the past to this day. What a joy. And when you're ever here next time, and please meet Praveen Kumar.
I'm also from India.
Wonderful. Good to meet you. Good to meet you, dude.
Thank you so much.
Very nice. Fabulous. And they're beautiful reception here. They're welcoming, friendly, delightful people. And yeah, don't forget you got the gallery to experience the food as well as just get the influence of the past in your dining experience. That's how it should be. Wow. And here I am just to show you what it looks like. And it is it is a generous and experiential journey through this Malay Indian fusion food experience in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Wonderful, thank you very much. There we are, folks. From how it was on a journey that took back in 1800s, in 1900, establishing a new setting in Penang to Kuala Lumpur, a great feature.